Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to deactivate Pinterest account. What you need to do, first just go to Pinterest and log in your account. After that, just you click in this little arrow next to your profile icon and then settings. After that, account settings, and then just scroll down and you see here deactivate account. You need to click here deactivate account. Deactivate account is mean you hide your pins and profile. Just click here. This is what you need to do if you want to deactivate Pinterest account. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.